Future of decentralized social media. Things in the digital world are always upgrading, so here is an upgrade of Steemit, which is known as Siri. It's a new social media platform that specifically targets the Cambodian market. Built on the blockchain-based technology, Siri aims to become a viable alternative to such big tech companies like Facebook and Twitter. Siri is a next-generation blockchain-based social media platform which has its own native token called Siri. It consists of an ecosystem of Frontier Web 3.0. Siri is neutral and free-to-enter platform which provides everyone equal access regardless of their country or caste. It's a place where anyone can share their thinkings and emotions. Siri is a blockchain for the next generation decentralized applications. It's really stable and trustworthy and is one of the fastest blockchains in the world. How it's best by other crypto-related social media. 1. Only one account per person with proper verification. 2. Nobody here allows to abuse anyone or the system. 3. No one can vote their own posts or comments. 4. Quality content will be appreciated by curators and users. Reward system of Siri. 1. People can post on a wide range of topics. 2. Nobody can vote his/her post or comment. 3. Visibility of posts depends on the popularity and uniqueness of the post. 4. More unique and good content will receive more votes. 5. Bad content will be downvote. 6. Post payout within 7 days. dApps related to Siri. 1. Sari Wallet. Wallet will be a central hub between all dApps. You can go to any other dApp directly through Wallet. There will be a lot of currencies integrated with Siri Wallet just like BCH. Transactions are really smooth and fast. 2. Siri Marketplace. It's a next-generation marketplace that has a blockchain-based curation system. People can sell their products on the marketplace with all prices listed in Siri coins and other currencies. 3. Siri Swore. Siri Swore is a question and answer platform just like Quora. Ask your questions and other people will provide answers. 4. Siri Lottery. Built for people who want to try their luck by betting. Join the Siri Lottery and use Siri coins to bet on the number and try your luck. So join fast and start earning by sitting at home.